Nice to meet you again. This time we will discuss about capture 2 system in our body. In our body consisting of some parts system, any circulatory system, skeletal system, nervous system, respiratory system, and digestive system. But today only discuss about skeletal system. Okay, we'll start this lesson, yeah. Human skeletal system consisting of some parts of that skull, humerus, lumbar spine, femur, patella, tibia, calcaneus, mandible, clavicle, radius, ulna, ilium, fibula, and talus. Okay, try walking to the mirror, then look at your body. How come our bodies have such a shape? This is due to the skeleton or bones and muscle that make it up. The function of skeletal system are 1. Support our body, 2. Give our body shape, 3. Protect the delicate organ in our body. Human skeletal is classified into endoskeleton. Therefore, the skeleton is composed of many bones and each has various functions. That what are the bones that make up the human body? Okay, next. Organ composing musculoskeletal system in human consisting of some part of that, any bone, any joints, and muscles. First, we discuss about bones. Bones is skeletal structure is composed of hard material which is made up of calcium called. In adult human body, 206 bones are present of various shape and size according to their function. Various shape and function of bone. If you breathe in deeply, you can feel with your hands the chest bone in front side, which is joined to the number of small bones on the back side. These small bones combinedly called as backbone, which is helpful is bending front and back, and bones which join the chest and the backbone is called ribs, present left and right side of chest bone. These were 12 pairs of ribs. These bones combinedly called as rib cage. It protects lungs and heart from any mechanical wear and tear. If you will touch just below your stomach area, you will find the presence of pelvic bone. This is the kind of bone you sit on. And then the skull is the most hard and tough bone of our body, which protect our brain from mechanical injuries. And the second, we discuss about muscle. Muscle are attached to the bones and is responsible for the movement of human body. There is change in the length of muscle due to the contraction and relaxation. If you move your arm touching your shoulder, you will observe the bulging part on your arm. This is muscle due to contraction and it's come back to its normal position if you stretch your arm and muscle come to the relax. Look at the picture. Picture is showing contraction and relaxation of muscle. Type of muscle consisting of of some part of that cardiac muscle, skeletal muscle, and smooth muscle. Cardiac muscle in voluntary branches has one nucleus in the middle, and skeletal muscle voluntary has many nucleus in the edge. And then smooth muscle involuntary spindle insect has one nucleus in the middle. Any types of joint in human body. The bone present in our body from framework. This framework is called skeleton. This framework is necessary to support many organs present in our body. Because of this framework, we can stand still, can walk, can run, and can do various physical activities. Each part of our body has different work. So, the structure of bones and joints present is also different from one another. You can observe this by feeling your hands, legs, ankle, knee, head, neck. You also had come across the X-ray or image of any of the body part which clearly saw the bones beneath the skin. Look at the picture. Picture 1, pivot joint. What is pivot joint? Pivot joints allow for rotation, twisting, extension, and flexibility. This is the joint where your neck joint head and allow the movement of forward, backward, left, and right direction. It's more over like a cylindrical bone moving in a ring. 2. Hinge joint. Hinge joints are found between the two or more than two bones where we need back and forth movement. For example, knees, elbow, ankle joint. And 3. Gliding joints. Gliding joints are called plane joints because the bones at this location meet along their flat edges so they can glide past each other. Usually this involves the meeting place of smaller bones rather than the large bones of the body. Gliding joints provide a wide range of motion. 4. Ball and socket joint. This is the type of joint in which ball-shaped surface of one bone fitted into the hollow space of another bone, also called socket. In this type of joint, movement can be done in all the directions, for example, shoulder joint and hip joint. And 5. Saddle joint. A saddle joint is synovial joint where one to the bones forming the joint is like a saddle with the other bone resting on it like a rider on horse. Saddle joint provides stability to the bones while providing more flexibility than a high or gliding joint. And the last, condyloid joints are found where the shallow depression of one bone receives a rounded, ebony area formed by one or two bones. Condyloid joints are found at the base of the fingers, metacarpal joints, and the worst radiocarpal joints. Okay, I finished our meeting today. I hope you understand about my explanation for today. See you in the next class. And you do work practical science about this. Thank you. Bye-bye.
This is my marble run.